today we are shooting some masks. So we have a photo shoot, and then I have some work to do for my other job, and I will do some work for this job as well today. So that's what I'll be doing here. For the clothes for our online store. It's the shirt I'm wearing for the shoot, but I wore a sports bra today, so I'm looking for a regular bra. These are so hot. Ah!
Maybe just little like patches.
They're eating lunch without me. How can they? I'm going home. I'm done with work today. Hello.
Hello.
Today's dinner is Yoshinoya. When was the last time we had Yoshinoya? I took off my contacts earlier, and now I'm just gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna wash off today's makeup and brush my teeth, and I might go to bed or watch more TikTok and YouTube. I don't know. So if you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video. It's been hectic, like moving rooms. I'm starting a new job tomorrow, so it's been pretty hectic here, but it's what's been going on. The room tour and the new room vlog should have been up before this one, so if you haven't watched that, please go watch that, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, good night.